Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we fix the pipe banging noise while running washing machine. This happens because of fast closing fill valves in the washing machines. This slamming or vibrating is referred to as water hammer. Usually, water hammer does not cause any damage to plumbing, but in extreme cases it can lead to failure in fittings or pipes. The easiest solution is to install a hammer arrestor. These absorb the shock in the water line when a valve is suddenly closed. A hammer arrestor will need to be installed on both the hot and cold water lines. Shut off the water to the washing machine and disconnect the hoses from the washer. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. Connect hammer arrestors directly to the back of the washing machine, this way it can also protect the washer hoses. The arrestors will work at any angle, so position them however they work for your situation. Connect the washer hoses onto the water hammer arrestors, taking care to make sure that you match up the hot water hose to the hot water supply. Tighten each connection carefully with the pliers. There is no need for the Teflon tape, because it already has O-ring as the seal. Turn the water back on and check for leaks. If any joints are leaking, tighten them just a bit more, using the pliers. After the arrestors are installed, and you still hear the banging noise, then most likely, pressure regulator is bad and need to be replaced. The regulator is usually located next to the water meter as seen here. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Handy TF.